Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a header and footer on Elementor using ElementsKit. This is a fantastic way to add custom headers and footers to your entire WordPress site, giving you complete control over how your site looks from top to bottom. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and look for ElementsKit. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Header Footer. This is where all the magic happens for creating and managing your site's headers and footers. Now that you're in the header footer section, you'll see an option to add a new template. Go ahead and click on Add Template. This button is your starting point for creating any custom header or footer you want to use across your site. A new window will pop up asking for some details. In the title field, type a name for your header. Something simple like main header works perfectly. This name is just for your reference so you can easily identify it later when managing multiple templates. Next, you'll need to select the type. From the drop-down menu, choose Header. This tells ElementsKit that you're specifically creating a header template, not a footer or any other type of element. Right below that, you'll see an option for display conditions. This is where you decide where your header will appear. Select Entire Site from the drop-down. By choosing this option, your header will be displayed across every page of your website, ensuring consistency throughout. Once you've filled in all these details, click Save Changes. Your header template is now created and saved. Don't worry about designing it just yet, we're just setting up the framework here. Now let's create the footer. Go back to ElementsKit and click on Header Footer again to return to the main templates page. Just like before, click on Add Template to start creating your footer. In the title field this time, type a name like main footer. Again, this is just for your organizational purposes, so choose something that makes sense to you. From the type dropdown, select footer. This designation is crucial because it tells ElementsKit exactly what kind of template you're building. Under display conditions, choose entire site once more. This ensures your footer appears on every single page of your website, just like your header. Finally, click Save Changes to lock in your footer template. And that's it. You've successfully created both a header and footer template using ElementsKit on Elementor. From here, you can customize each template with your own design elements, menus, and branding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.